Right. Alright. Good morning to Dr. Nazrin. So, as you can see here, this is the lab one for the task one. So the task one it requires us to control a double acting cylinder using a self-lecture application, which this is the pneumatic diagram and the electrical circuit diagram, which we have to develop this figure in the automation studio software. So this is the figure which from the task one. So what can we observe here is that after we simulate it, we can see that there is a electric circle will flow from here to here. So what if I start? So if I click the start button, so the electric circle will flow from here, which this is the phi 2 wave path, and it will push the buff in and out, which it will automatically. So it will continuously simulate this circuit until I stop the simulation. All right. So this is the lab one, and let's go to the lab two, which is the task two. Alright, this is the task two, which we have to conduct a product transfer on two-level conveyor. So which is double acting cylinder, which A and B are used to transfer the product on two-level conveyor system. So cylinder A will push slowly the product outward when the proximity sensor C will detect an outcoming part from the first conveyor. So the cylinder B will push slowly the product to the second conveyor. For both end position for cylinder A and B is monitored by a limit switch. So the system will automatically on when start button is pressed and off when the stop button is pressed. So this requires us to produce a system which manually when we press the start button, so the system will automatically run. And when we stop, the system will be stopped. So this is a sequence diagram where this will be an so this will be a when it is running, so it will stop here and coming back with extend, hold, and retract. Same goes for cylinder B, which it will extend and retract immediately. So let's see the simulation. All right. So this is the system which which fuse for the task two. All right. So let's see what it will run. All right. So basically it will change. All right. Basically it will change to in and out. So let's stop the simulation first. Alright, it seems like there is some technical problem here which I have to fix it. So basically it will run, which this cylinder will push in and out. So never mind. So let's proceed to the second task, which it need us to um, develop. Oh, sorry, this is the 1.2, the 1.2. So this basically the pneumatic. So this is the product transfer on the which on the product transfer on the two-layer conveyor, which it is basically this diagram. Sorry. All right. So basically this is the system. All right. So let's run simulation. So when I click the start button, basically it will run, right? It like this. So basically it is in here we have to press ourselves, which the sensor for the start and stop button. So for this we have to because we don't have the right. So basically if if we want to do it automatically, we have to do the relay. So in here we don't have a relay which can relay us to the sense to the automatically run the system. So this is will be the press start. So when I press here, so the cylinder will extend. So when the another sensor is sense it, so it will coming out also. The cylinder B will extend. So once the cylinder B extends, so it will retract immediately. So after it retract, so the cylinder A will retract also. So this will be the same process goes to the sequence diagram for the task 2. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.